So this is how we respond to stimuli with our nervous systems, and we need to know what a stimulus is first of all. So a stimulus is something we respond to. So a stimulus could be light, or sound, or pressure on our skin, or heat, or chemicals on our tongue, or chemicals going up our nose. That's a stimulus, and they're detected by things called receptors. So I have receptors for light at the back of my eye, I have receptors for sound in my ear, I have receptors for temperature and pressure and pain in my skin. And those receptors then send information via my nerves to either my brain or to my spinal cord. And it's the sensory neurons that take that information from my receptors to my brain or spinal cord, where the information is then processed. And then we have a response. So what happens then is there's another set of nerves called the motor neurons, and they take the information from my brain and spinal cord to my effectors. And my effectors might be my muscles, or they might be my glands. And after that I then have a response, and I respond to that stimuli. Now I just said that either the sensory neurons take the nervous impulse either to my brain or to my spinal cord, and there's a little bit of a difference between the two. If it goes to my brain, normally therefore it's conscious, I'm thinking about what my response is going to be. But if it goes to my spinal cord, then the response will be unconscious, it will be involuntary, and it will happen faster. And it will happen without me thinking, and that's because it goes from the sensory neuron and then it goes to my spinal cord, and in my spinal cord there's something called a relay neuron, and then it goes straight to a motor neuron, and of course it doesn't go to my brain. So an example of that is the knee-jerk reflex, or if I shine a light into my eyes, then my pupil will dilate without me thinking. Both of those are examples of involuntary responses.